This is my another poem. The title of the poem is Friendship. It is friendship is the important utmost relation in life. We meet real friends rarely, by luck, on whom we can keep faith, truth and understanding. Many times one cannot talk or tell something for some things to own family members or relatives which we can tell or talk to real friends. What is the real friendship? As a human being, there may be little jealousy, anger, comparison between the friends sometimes, which is natural. This should be time being only. Friendship shall be like this, as much as possible or maximum possible. In real friendship, there is no right, no duty, only real affection or real love. No abusing, no underestimating, only lovable and good behavior. No pride, no ego, only understanding in each other. No competition, no jealousy, only love from heart, mind and heart. No giving, no taking, only respect. No binding, no obliging, only understanding. No me, no selfishness, only unselfish, spiritual and divine love. All poems are prepared and written on personal, family, social, relative, friends, national and international level. I have written here my feelings, thinkings and on overall view. My thinkings, feelings are of world peace. Being human being is blessings of God, divine power. Life is also by the blessings of grace of God, divine power. Human being with humanity. Human is humanity. I am human being, others are human being, shall be feelings like that. And we are human, we should help each other. We should behave with a human being with good virtues, respect, affection, understanding, faith, sincerity, honesty, and like that. And there shall not be war between the nations. If war is there, somebody is doing war with us, we have to fight like that, whatever he is doing. If somebody comes for beating, even in the within nation also, if someone comes for beating, abusing, we have to act accordingly. But as far as possible, it should not be there. There should be peace in the nation, and there shall be between nation to nation, among the nation, all are human beings all over the world. Good virtues have given in our Gita and many religious books, and maximum should be with good virtues, faith, respect, truth, sincerity, honesty, and there shall not be war between the nations. There shall be affection, understanding, respect, truth, and how much it is, so it depends upon the circumstances and the persons in contact with you, where you are staying, relatives, friends, and workplace, whatever it is, that depends upon the person with which human you can understand. Understanding shall be there. We can understand, the person can understand. Friendship feeling shall be there between the nation to nation. And like maximum basis, everybody loves our own nation more than our life. We are loving our nation more than our life. The other nations are loving their nations more than their life. All over the world, this should be feeling that. And person takes the birth according to fate, accordingly his God and a nation and all that. This all depends upon the fate, where we can taking the birth. That is our nation, that is our family, relatives, friends, nation, and this feeling, this between the nation to nation, leads to world peace. My feelings are of world peace, and behavior is also like that. I feel there shall be meeting once in year or between the international level. This is just my feelings. It depends upon the highest, honorable highest authorities of the nation. And my feelings are, so they can meet, discuss about their own nations, get together shall be there on international level. By the blessings of God, divine power, there is a lot of progress in the world. I appreciate that, which is very appreciable. We have affection, selfless love, respect forward with feelings, thinkings, written in world. Peace feelings are there, thinkings are like there, and as much as possible, my behavior is also like there. And I have written the poems also on that level. All are human beings, humanity is there, good virtues are there. On that basis, I have done this, and that's why I am telling my poems. Mobile is then life is blessing. This feeling is there. Praying God is also feeling is there everywhere. In every nation there is the feeling. So there shall be, it is my feelings on overall view. Thank you very much with very best wishes.